Sa Mega Saver na naman. Magtitingin kami ng oven. Oven. Ayan. Oven. Meron kayong brand na ano, yung Asahi ba yun? Gusto kong brand, kaya lang mahal dito pala sa kanila.
What size did you want?
Yeah, that one. I like that. Perfect size.
Yeah, it fits.
Kami dito sa Save More. Kasi mahal din sa ano. Yan ang bibilin namin. Chine-check na nila. Dating 5.6 na yung 4.79 na lang. Electric oven. I-test nila yung mga function daw. Ayan, function. Makakapag-bake na ako ng cake. Ay, kape kami ni Gabi. Kape. Ayan. Dito sa French Baker. Kape.
What's supposed to be? Nothing. Is there anything else?
Yeah, there. For the grilling. For the chicken.
This goes in the bottom. Where are the heaters?
Oh, bongga ang aming oven. Brand na to ay Hanabishi. Ayan, Hanabishi.
Yes, the one you wanted as well.
Tinatanggal ng asawa ko.
You know, we shaved
At
like
lulutuan namin.
2,000 on that. Didn't we?
Yeah.